Oreo. God damn.
Nigga, you already started the fucking.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another taste. Yeah, we back with another taste testing video. Today we're gonna be taste testing Oreo Cakesters. Cakesters. We gotta offer time for them to get back. It's all they back now.
You ready to put them in straight?
Yeah. All right. Give them the rundown of where you got it
Why
from.
are you in these this time?
Give them the rundown of where you got it from.
Walmart. They're not.
Give them the rundown of where you got them from.
Nigga, stop.
I thought that shit was about to fall on the
You know,
side.
this chicken like,
What the hell? Y'all put pussies or something?
nigga, no.
No.
He was about to, never mind.
I thought I.
my dick, bro. I'm sorry. I thought that's what I thought it was.
Oh, this young for
Okay,
Dragon Ball MV.
So,
Oreo-
Oreo Cakesters are not new. They're old. They came back when I was in middle school. Like 2007-ish or 8. You said it was 6?
Wait.
It was between 20.
I know we
05
started done by in
2009.
I didn't know y'all yet, so.
Hey, get my bottle, bitch.
Nigga, your bottle right there, nigga.
I forgot.
Stop giving up that baba.
Wait, 2012.
This nigga neck small as shit.
Sorry,
This is like Mr.
Come on, bro.
The nigga like the nutty
Shut the fuck
professor.
up.
Oh, he does.
But I couldn't find the Nutter Butter version of the cake.
Nutter Butter. Nutty Buddy?
It's the little peanut butter jump.
Yeah, those are Nutter Butter.
Not the
Nutty
Nutty
Buddy's on something
It's
else.
2 different jumps.
Yeah, it's Nutty Buddy and Nutter Butter.
I don't know what I named it.
I thought it was already.
Them Nutter Butter's good as shit.
Nah,
with
you
milk.
Chocolate butter, Nutter
yeah,
butter.
that's you hungry shit.
Nah, they good as shit with milk.
Chocolate
Dog, it's
butter,
taking
Nutter
us
Butter.
10 minutes to open the fucking box.
We trying to explain where we
I
got
don't
it
give a
from.
fuck. I gotta taste the shit.
Nigga got some wick in this system. That nigga,
You drunk as shit,
Ain't
man.
no
that's what I'm saying. Like, this nigga done.
Nah.
Walmart,
What the
shut
fuck?
up.
I got a whole other bottle in there. I show you done.
I said you drunk.
I ain't even drunk. I'm telling you, I ain't drunk.
That's what Sharice said.
I ain't Sharice, bro. I can hold my shit.
You been acting like them lately.
If you can't feel it, you bring it like 10 for a shot.
The one, remember, they're Cakesters, not like regular Oreos.
Oh, yeah.
I tried to do these jumps with milk a while. What the fuck? Nigga, it's Cakesters.
Man, this shit looks tough.
I mean, you can have the box. I'm not gonna eat them. Oh, I like the regular
I'm
Oreos.
probably not gonna do shit.
Because they're, I tried to do this on the milk a long ass time ago. It
Are you
wasn't
just
working. It didn't work out for me when I did the milk.
This ain't it, bro.
Oh no, it's like real.
Cake.
This ain't it for me.
I still give it an 8 though.
They ain't 10 out of 10. I need to find another butter version of them. Apparently, they always sold out more than the regular Oreos. Cakesters.
It's like an aftertaste to it.
You finna work for me.
Cakesters.
This ain't it for me.
I mean, you try to do it with regular Oreo. Damn it.
This ain't it for me.
Like Shari. Nigga got the. Nigga got the shit.
This ain't it for me.
Nigga, what the fuck? Nigga, why you that? Oh my god! No! You're not supposed to do it like that.
I was Sharice for the day.
Yeah.
That's your job. I give it a 7.
This man said, he didn't lick it off, he just used his whole hand.
I give that job a 7.
It's a 10 out of 10, but I'm not gonna finish this shit. But,
I ain't even ready to sing right there, bro.
I'm ready for that soda.
What's up?
I think that's our next one anyway. Oh wait, we can do the milk, then the soda.
Why we?
What, cuz? But anyway, nigga.
That's your bad, bro. That's your bad.
Well, let me know when y'all want to start. Let me know
We
when y'all
about
want to
to
start.
cut it off in a few. This man going ham. I mean, go ahead, pass. We'll cut it off. Go ahead, PP. Nigga, you said
Be sure to check. Oh,
What?
4 out of 10.
I give it a 4. No, I give it a 2, bro. I ain't really. It was good at the beginning, but it's like it's an aftertaste to it. I ain't really like.
Or you
It's
like
not
how
the-
it's
no
because
homo.
it's
It's
not cakes.
no homo. It's not the cream. It was the outer part that was nasty.
Yeah, see, that's why I had all that cream on my mouth, I guess. I ate the cream, the little cake bar. Oreos are meant to be cookies, not cakes. Let's
Yeah.
just stick like that.
Yeah.
I mean, I know.
It was a good idea. It's a good idea, but...
This is an old ass idea.
I mean, it's a good old idea, but
I'm about to say, you know, your mama, I don't know, I ain't gonna say your mama. I'm just saying an example. Your mama used to pack those in school lunches when you was in elementary.
Not everybody, mother. That was
Yeah.
just the commercials.
Now, my mama did that. She used to buy those.
See, I only had Lunchables, so they came in with the hard cookies.
Yeah, yeah.
So I didn't really have these.
I actually prefer the regular Oreos, and I actually got some Oreo thins at the house.
Oh, yeah.
I
Regular
haven't
ones.
tried no Oreo thing. It's
Oreo
like
thins good as shit.
It's like regular Oreo though, right?
It's regular Oreos, but a little thinner.
Then yeah.
But you can actually taste the
I got
chocolate.
no, hold on, but y'all gotta try the double stuff, man. That shit is horrible. Cause of double stuff.
What's double stuff?
Don't worry about it. But
Okay.
anyway, the double stuff, that shit.
I don't like the double stuff or the
You don't
mega
like
stuff.
man, all that cream up in there, man. Boy. Oh, I should have said no.
Hey, what's up, bro?
I ain't say nothing.
When you said like cream, the way he looked at me,
It's
it
all right,
was
man.
him, bro. It wasn't me.
It's alright.
Like that mega stuff too.
It was,
No, we never had mega stuff. We gotta get that
you
shit.
can do a taste test on making stuff.
Yeah.
It's all older shit.
I ain't
No,
know
this
they
old
making
shit.
stuff.
Yeah, right.
They got it. I think we got it in the store. I'm gonna check my job tomorrow. We gonna do this tomorrow.
Yeah, shit, they got
like
that.
quite
Bring that
some
shit
cream.
along.
But
Alright, so we gonna touch on the next video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and check us out on our next video. You know, like us on social media, YouTube channel, and Twitch. We're available, and you can check us out on Twitter if you want to, but we're not pressuring you to. But you can see what we're all about on there too.
stay tuned for our Oreo videos in general too.
Yeah, bro, we got a lot of Oreo videos.
Yeah, Oreos is my #1 favorite cookie.
It's probably our best taste test videos, strand of videos too. I would say the Oreos, the Krispy Kremes, and the Mountain Dews are probably our
Oh yeah,
best
the top,
taste
the
tests.
top ones. Yeah.
Those are probably
What's it called? Who is this?
our 3 best top.
Shut
We'll
up,
catch
bro.
you on the
We
next
get
video.
put, bro. We ain't playing that shit, bro. Niggas get put out, bro. We not playing that shit, bro.
video.